Hello, in this video I'm gonna talk a little bit about if there is a possibility to check if someone is invisible. So if you are unsure if someone is truly offline or invisible, there are some ways to do so. The first one is, of course, if you are both on the same servers, then you can try to go through different text channels in order to see if they are somewhere active. Although this is rather mundane and not really recommended, there is a little bit easier way to do so, and that is by checking your social hub. So if we go to direct messages, and then on the right side you might see active now, and as you can see there is a friend of mine that is apparently offline, but he is active in a voice channel. So clearly this means that this person is rather invisible or have the invisible status than that person is offline. So it is a good indicator to know if someone is offline or not, as long as of course they are in a voice channel. And last but not least, you can just simply send a message to them and see if they respond. They might not be hiding from you, so there might be a chance that they answer back, and if not, they just might be offline after all. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.